What about corrections? So sometimes you get a 1099 and it's wrong, right? It's actually probably one of the most frequently wrong documents of all the tax documents you'll get. I have seen people, tax clients, receive 1099s where somebody stuck an extra zero on the end, right? So they made $1,000 of contract income and it got reported as $10,000 of income. That's a big mistake. And you are going to be on the hook paying taxes on that money. So if you didn't actually receive that money, you need to get that person to issue you a corrected 1099. Okay. Now, issuing a corrected 1099 is the law. So I want you to open those envelopes when they come, open those emails when they come. When it says tax documents enclosed, it is the best practice to look at it. And you want to do that sooner rather than later because you want to get back to that person if they did something like that. They got your social security number wrong. They put an extra zero on the income they gave you, or the income amount that they report that they paid you doesn't match what's in your records or is wildly different from what you thought you were paid. You need to have a conversation with that person. And because I've seen this go really sideways, I want to warn you, and I would actually suggest you explicitly say that to the person. Don't assume that they know how to issue a corrected 1099. They must check the corrected box. If you issue a new 1099 and that corrected box is not checked, you are simply issuing a new 1099.